FastMCP 3 implements a provider-based resource discovery mechanism that transforms local skill directories into standardized MCP resources. This pattern enables AI tools to expose and share capabilities through a unified interface. The upcoming code demonstrates how to initialize a FastMCP server with a SkillsDirectoryProvider, configuring it to scan a specific directory for skill resources. You'll see the provider registration pattern that makes these skills discoverable to clients through the MCP protocol.
From PassLib, import path. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastMCP server provider skills, import SkillsDirectoryProvider. MCP equals FastMCP skills server. MCP, add provider skills directory provider roots equals path, home/Claude/skills.
This code demonstrates the FastMCP provider pattern for resource discovery, specifically using a SkillsDirectoryProvider to expose agent skills as MCP resources. The pattern creates a FastMCP server instance labeled skills server and adds a provider that scans a local skills directory, /Claude/skills/ for skill folders containing skill, MD files. Each valid skill directory becomes a set of discoverable MCP resources, including the main instruction file, a manifest of supporting files, and the supporting files themselves. The provider architecture follows a two-layer approach where SkillsDirectoryProvider automatically discovers and creates individual skill provider instances for each skill folder. This design enables dynamic skill discovery without manual configuration, making it ideal for development environments where skills are frequently added or modified. The server identifier, skills server, appears in MCP protocol handshakes to help clients identify the server's purpose, while the provider handles the actual resource discovery and exposure. This approach offers flexibility in skill management, as the provider can scan multiple root directories with precedence rules. The trade-off is that dynamic discovery adds some overhead during resource listing, which becomes more noticeable with many skills. For production environments with static skills, you might disable reload mode to improve performance, while development benefits from the automatic discovery shown here. The pattern effectively transforms local skill directories into a standardized MCP API, enabling cross-tool skill sharing and programmatic access. Let's break it down.
From PassLib, import path.
Imports path from the PathLib module for cross-platform file system path manipulation.
From FastMCP, import FastMCP.
Imports the FastMCP class from the FastMCP module, which is the main class for creating MCP servers.
From FastMCP server provider skills, import SkillsDirectoryProvider.
Imports the SkillsDirectoryProvider class from the FastMCP server provider skills module, which provides access to AI agent skills stored in directory structures.
MCP equals FastMCP skills server.
Creates a FastMCP server instance with the identifier skills server that will be used in MCP protocol handshakes to help clients recognize this server. The string parameter serves only as a human-readable label and doesn't configure any functional behavior or operational mode.
MCP, add provider skills directory provider roots equals path, home/Claude/skills.
Adds a SkillsDirectoryProvider to the MCP instance, configured to scan for skills in the user's home directory under the path /Claude/skills. The provider will expose any skill directories found at that location as MCP resources, making them discoverable and accessible to clients through the protocol. The FastMCP provider pattern transforms local skill directories into standardized MCP resources, enabling cross-tool skill sharing through a unified interface. By initializing a FastMCP server with a SkillsDirectoryProvider, you create a dynamic discovery system that scans a specified directory for skill folders containing skill MD files. Each valid skill directory becomes a set of discoverable MCP resources, including the main instruction file and supporting materials. The two-layer provider architecture automatically handles skill discovery and resource exposure, making it ideal for development environments where skills are frequently updated. While this dynamic approach adds some overhead during resource listing, it offers flexibility in skill management. The server identifier, Skills Server, helps clients recognize the server's purpose during MCP protocol handshakes, while the provider handles the actual resource discovery and exposure, effectively bridging local skill directories with the MCP protocol for programmatic access.
The server scans the skills directory, but the client discovers the tools before the provider knows they exist.